We're in Friendswood, Texas today at a place called Hideaway. It's a condo area that got flooded. We just finished another kitchen here, and this lady chose our Pecan rope, which is a really classy quality cabinet. It's got a little rope in there, as you can see. This was a little different. She wanted 36-inch cabinets all the way to the ceiling, so we built it down, and the guys did a great job installing these. It was a hard job. She wanted glass doors on either side of the window, and there they are. A little hard to see. We're waiting for the granite. They will come in next. There's your sink base, corner cabinet, and then to the left of the stove is a beautiful spice rack. Needs to be cleaned out, but there it is. All of the drawers are soft closed drawers with dovetail. Again, everything needs to be vacuumed. They just finished. All of the doors are soft closed doors. Not one piece of particle board is in any of our cabinets. Solid wood, solid plywood, heavy frame. There's a corner cabinet. And there she shuts nice and quiet by herself. And there's the cabinet above the refrigerator. Just really sharp little kitchen. Just maximized every bit of space. And then the lady had a bank of cabinets that were in her living room before, where she kept her fine china and all of her special stuff. So we put in 4 cabinets down below with drawers and storage underneath, and then a whole row of cabinets above, again with glass doors. So if you are thinking of a kitchen or bath vanities, give me a call at 518-524-5456, or check out our website at arenacabinets.com. Thanks, and hope to see you soon.